Hello and welcome to Althea Suite. Today I'll discuss BOM costing for manufacturing products in Althea Suite. So here right now we are in this item manager and we'll take an example of this executive chair which will manufactured in-house. So I'll go and modify this particular product right now and I'll go in the set BOM definition. As I can see here, to manufacture this executive chair, these are the raw materials which we can also call as BOM materials for these products, like fabrics, screws, handles, cushions, rolling wheels, wrapping foams, bubble wraps. All of this BOM product is required to make manufacture executive chair. So right now we can only see the quantity which is required to manufacture executive chair. But however, we can also suggest our sales price to check what is the in-house costing and overheads, and calculating all that we can always define the selling price for this manufactured product. So here I have a flag suggest sales price. If I click here in the below BOM grid, it will expand to showing us more details. Apart from quantity, it will show us the costing and the selling price of all of these raw materials. So taking an example of this fabric which required 4 meter and to make this executive chair, the unit cost of this fabric is $6. So 6 by 4, the overall costing for this is $24. Similarly, selling price of this particular fabric is $10 and the overall selling price of this particular raw material is 10 by 4 is $40. And in similar fashion, rest of all the below BOM has been calculated. So now the final costing, if you can see here, it's $222.50, which includes the labor cost as well as packaging cost. So if I remove the labor cost, so I can see that now the cost price has been reduced to $172.50. So this gives an edge for users to calculate the overheads also apart from the actual BOM costing, and we can also take into consideration the packaging charges and the labor charges. So let's say if I again add a labor charge of $40, enter it. So the new costing is $212.50. And let's say I'll add $10 of packaging charges also, so that comes $222.50. So this is the overall costing which is required to make one executive chair. Now I have two ways through which I can calculate the selling price. Let's see how we can calculate these. So right now I can see there is a overall costing is $222.50. So let's say I take a profit margin of 30% on it. So taking a profit on the profit margin of 30% on the overall costing, the new suggested selling price is $317.85. This is all calculated price. So now if I click on this apply flag, I can see here there's a new selling price that is $317.85 comes in. Similarly, if I don't want to calculate as per the costing, I have another way, that is by selling price. So as I have explained to you that the raw materials, if I consider the selling price also of this raw material, I can see the overall total sales price which is required for all of this raw materials is $302. So that is the overall price which has been coming up. You can keep it as same, or if you want to give some sort of a discount, because you can see that 302 is the selling price and your in-house costing is $222.50. So either you can give 5% discount and this is your suggested price, and if I go and apply this flag, I'll get a new price that is $286.90. So let's say if I click on OK, so it will ask me the confirmation because the selling basic price is getting changed. So if I say yes to continue, so now I'll be seeing a new price which is $286.90 and the purchasing price is $222.50. So if I update this, and now if I go in the chair category where I have this executive chair, I can get a new selling price that is $286.90. So as you can see, Althea has simplified all of this complex calculation of BOM costing and quantity required to manufacturing products and made it very simple for users. Thank you for watching this video.